Hi everyone, I have my lovely cat Sissy here. She's going to help me today with discovering more about area. And I have her lovely cat pillow here that she sometimes sits in the sun. Don't you, Sissy? She sits on her lovely pillow and she gets lovely and warm in the window. And I have a really long daybed here that's just made out of similar material that maybe I could make into lots of pillows for Sissy. I wonder how many I would be able to make though. So maybe to find out, I could use my pillow and place it on there to find how many I could fit in that area. So let's get started. I've got my pillow and I've got my lovely daybed here, and I'm going to see how many of these pillows will actually fit in this area of the daybed. Well, she's already enjoying it, you can see, which she'll have to move. So just roughly, I'm estimating I will fit 1, 2, keep my finger there, 3, 4, oh dear, I'm just going to have to move, excuse me, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit down, Sissy, 9, 10. So 10. Roughly, they might be a little bit smaller by the looks of it, but the area of this daybed are 10 cat pillows. So maybe you could find some things around the house soon that you can compare one smaller object to a larger object and see how many of that area fits into the larger area. This would be what you call your unit. Once you've done that, I'd like you to find 3 objects that you can then compare. I have one small pillow here. We'll call this a pillow. It's a very large pillow. And this is a medium-sized pillow. So if we were to order them, we would say this is reasonably large, so it's a large pillow. The next one is larger, and then compared to the big large pillow, this is the largest. Now, if these were smaller objects, you would say one was small, smaller, and smallest. So see how you go. Start with 2 objects, and I'd like you to see how many. There might be a small book that you have, and how many of those books fit the area of a large book that you have. Or it might be something totally different. Your book might fit into a table area. And describe how many times that unit fits into that area. Remember, try and keep your finger placed so that you can keep counting. If you have to count again, that's fine. Remember, measuring twice is a great idea to keep everything accurate. So those are the things I'd like you to do. Firstly, get 2 objects and compare smaller and larger. Then get the smaller item, which will be your unit, and then measure how many will fit in that area. In this instance, this is my unit. I will say that this daybed is the area of, what did we count? 10 cat pillows. So this is 10 cat pillows. Once you've done that one thing, then you can go on and compare 3 things. They might be large, larger and largest in area, or they might be small, smaller, or smallest in area. Remember, we are not looking at 3D objects, things that have 3 dimensions. We're not talking about 1 dimension, length. We are talking about things that have 2 dimensions, looking at their 2-dimensional shape if we were to trace it. All right, get busy, and remember, when you do those, let me know, describe those 2 things as you go, and you might also be able to say how you know that this is so. How do you know that that is larger? How do you know that that is smaller? All right, have lots of fun. Bye.